back to my channel. Today I am introducing you guys to the book series Peek Inside. My little brother really likes the Peek Inside series. It's basically a flip book and you can learn lots in it. There's a lot of books in the series, but we bought 4 of them. Peek Inside the Forest, and the cover is really pretty. And you can flip these open to see what's inside. I think it's really pretty and fun to read too. Most of it's all pictures, and the words are really simple because there's like flaps and they're really fun to find and open. It'll make them want to read more and learn more. This book is about the forest and you can peek inside it. And this little hole over here. Hello, it's a hedgehog. It's really fun to open and close. At every page, there's like a flip open. And the pictures are really cute and pretty. Baby bears go exploring. Snowdrops start to bloom. And then, the forest is full of new life. Wow, beautiful. And inside, dinosaurs. Let me show you. So many flaps. The drawings are so cute. Little baby Maiasaura. Dinosaur babies started small and grow. In the end, it will be bigger than a bus. My little brother loves dinosaurs. Roar. Here's like little holes. It's a triceratops. Yeah, over here there's holes from the orange dinosaur, which were spikes. Actually, teeth. Isn't it so cool? It's a long tail. It's a super long tail. Here's the ocean. And it's fun to open and close. Now they're in the museum. Just bones, because they aren't alive now. Okay, next book is Peek Inside Space. My little brother, this is probably his favorite of all of this. It's so pretty. Here's a little hole, which looks like the Earth. Here's an astronaut. Here's a space station. There's one called the International Space Station, and a lot of astronauts are on it right now. There's like usually words in it, which is really fun. Doing this is really fun. So I think toddlers and little kids will like playing with it and reading it at the same time. Ooh, there's like a little hole to put his head in. And this was a window that's looking at the Earth. So cool. This is the Earth going around the sun. Jupiter and Saturn. This is a robot. Aliens. So cool. Peek inside how a plane works. This book teaches kids, how the airplane works. Here's the luggage under the plane. Every part there's like an explanation to tell them how it works or what it does. Hey! No entry, crew only. What's behind this door? See? Usually some things you can't see, you can see right here in this book and learn about it. Here's the airplane taking off. If it's a long flight, some pilots can sleep down here and some replacement pilots can go up here and help them drive. Ooh, beautiful. Here's the last page. Bye-bye, plane. That's the end. These Peek Inside books are really fun, and toddlers can open and close them and look inside what's behind the flaps, which makes them want to read more, which is really interesting. The Peek Inside series has a lot more, but we picked my little brother's favorite, and we picked the books that he's more interested in. That's all we have for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe.